We're a global international forwarder. We have air freight services, sea freight services, road freight services, and about 2 million square metres of contract logistics warehouse space. Our global aim is to be a top 5 forwarder, number 1 in Asia, and top Kaizen company in the world, Kaizen being a quality standard. To achieve that in Europe, we want to be able to deliver our customers a cost-effective, efficient service for our warehouse management and our transport management. Well, historically we've had a diverse set of solutions throughout Europe, so we had local people providing local solutions to their customers, but we had a problem with our global and regional customers where they wanted a more consistent approach. We ended up choosing Manhattan Scale as our strategic solution based on a number of factors, including technology, extendability, and the features and functions that were already in the application. From a hardware point of view, we decided to go to the cloud and use Microsoft Azure simply because we had the skills in-house to maintain it, and it's an excellent cloud system that allows us to have flexibility, scalability, and reduce our overall cost of capital expenditure. This will have a major impact on our ability to deliver a quality service for our customers. We'll be able to drive down costs, increasing our profitability, but also pass on those cost reductions to our customers and give them a better service.
We started the relationship with them in 2003 in the Netherlands, and since then Yusen has gone on to implement the system in the rest of Europe, as well as Australia, the US and Asia Pacific.
When Yusen Italy decided to implement Scale, it was already used in 2 other countries in Europe, and we already had in Europe a certain degree of knowledge of the product. We selected a medium complexity new customer for our pilot project, and we asked Yusen Poland to support us during the implementation. With the help from Yusen Poland IT team, we were able to implement the first customer in a very short time.
Yusen are quite self-sufficient when it comes to their implementations, and they do most of the work themselves. They have a centre of expertise in Poland, which is helping with the implementations across Europe, and the Italian organisation has also now learnt Scale through the last few implementations.
Our customers' businesses rely on our ability to handle big volumes with high throughput efficiency, and the system performances is a crucial aspect. We were able to set up Manhattan Scale on a highly available infrastructure with outstanding connectivity and without any hardware investment. Instead of waiting for weeks or months for having the necessary hardware on site, in Microsoft Azure we've got the underlying infrastructure available in an hour.
In the last 4 years, Yusen Logistics Italy has migrated their non-mission critical applications to the Azure platform, followed by their mission critical applications. The team has developed deep Azure knowledge, which allows the business to upscale easily.
Manhattan Scale is a mission-critical application, and it's fundamental for us to have it running on highly available infrastructure that guarantees SLAs and uptimes much higher than what we could have hosting Manhattan Scale on our own infrastructure. Thanks to Scale's innovative design based on Microsoft.NET and SQL Server, integration was much easier than what we thought. Manhattan Scale provides many ways to inject your own logic into the system and exchange data flows with other systems in the same environment. The flexibility of Azure and the ease of use of Scale make it very easy for us to migrate and add customers onto the platform.
We're expected to see significant cost reductions over the lifetime of the product. Depending on how quickly we roll out into individual countries, we expect to get a return on investment in a relatively short space of time. I think Italy is a good template for how we mean to go forward, implementing Azure and Scale throughout the whole of the region. I think that will give us a benefit to be able to deliver the best possible solution for our customers.